Hello everyone, welcome to Modern Japanese. I'm Atsubo. Today I will teach you some hiragana stuff. Let's get started. So today's topic is hiragana. So I will talk about what is hiragana, why you should learn hiragana. Then I will show you the hiragana chart. You can see whole hiragana in the topics. And I will teach you how to read and how to write hiragana. And then after that, we will do practice with you. And then last, I will give you tips for learning hiragana. So first, what is hiragana? Hiragana is one of three Japanese writing systems. Represents syllable not in individual letter like in English. Used for native Japanese word, grammar, and verb endings. So why you should learn hiragana? Essential for reading and writing basic Japanese used in textbook and manga and furigana. Furigana is small hiragana next to kanji. And helps with correct pronunciation and sentence structure in Japanese. So this is hiragana chart. You can see every hiragana in here. This five letter is vowel, and this other things is consonant. So first you should learn this 5 letter. First one is A, second one is E, third one is U, fourth E, last one is O. And if you combine this consonant and this vowel, you can say ka. Next one, this one, and this one, you can say ki. Next one, ku. Next one, ke. Last one, ko. So next one, this one, and this one, you can say sa. This next one, shi. This one, su, se, so. So next line, ta, ji, tsu, de, to. Next line, na, ni, nu, ne, no. This line. Next one, ha, hi, fu, he, ho. This line, mami, mume, mo. Then, some bit careful because some vowel, some line doesn't have the letter. So this line just 3 letter. This is ya, this is you, this is yo. This line da, di, du, de, do. This line just 2 letter wa, wo. And this is exception. You can't combine vowel and consonant. This is you can say So next, how to read hiragana. Hiragana is pronounced exactly as written, and each character represents 1 syllable. For example, this is a. This is e. This is u. This is e. This is o. Like this. Next, how to write hiragana. So Japanese is written with precise stroke order. Strokes go from left to right and top to bottom. Example A. Step 1, start with a small horizontal stroke. This one. This is first step. Step 2, add a larger curve stroke. This one. And then step 3, finish with a small diagonal stroke. steps. This is step 3. Next, this is E, step 1, step 2. Next, U, step 1, step 2. Next one, E, step 1, step 2. Last one, O, step 1, step 2, step 3. So this is practice time. Can you read them? Can you read this hiragana? I will show you some. This is, what is this? How do you say this hiragana? This is ta. Next one, this is shi. Next one, this is mo. Next one, nu. Last one, ke. So finally, I'll give you some tips for learning hiragana. So you should practice 10 minutes daily, some read hiragana and write hiragana every day, and use flashcard. You can make yourself, but you can also use application like Anki. And this is important. You should write not just like character. You should write a full word. For example, this is inu mean dogs, not just you shouldn't write just this nu. You should write inu. Yeah, you gotta make a word. Next one, neko means cat. Next one, sake means rice wine. You gotta make word. So thank you for watching our videos. If you like our video, please subscribe, and if you're interested in our videos, please watch next video. Thank you.